Hey everyone, in this quick Google Slides guide, I'll show you how to run your presentation without going full screen. First, open your Google Slides project. Now, instead of clicking the main slideshow button, click the small arrow beside it and choose Presenter View. This opens your slides in a floating window that does not force full screen. You can resize it and place it anywhere on your screen. Another option is going to View and selecting Present in a new window. This also launches the slides in a normal, resizable window. If you want a cleaner, minimal look, use the URL trick. In the address bar, replace the word edit with present?rm equals minimal. Press enter, and your slides will open in a simple windowed layout. You can also press escape during a normal presentation to leave full screen, but keep the slide visible inside the browser window. And that's how to use Google Slides presentation mode without going full screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.